Wanna know how to pin chats in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi 2.5 website. So just simply towards kimi.com and just open it up. So you can also choose your chats and make sure you have chat history before doing this. So in order to pin your important chats to the top, here should be seeing chat history on the leftmost side, and down here should be seeing various chats available to you. Just simply double click on it, and now once you've double click, here should be seeing pin to top. So you can just simply pin right here. So once you've figured that, your chat has been printed just like this, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.